When differentiating a question using the chain rule, we use the formula dy dx equal dy du by du dx. What it basically means is that you need to frame the question that has been given to you in such a way that you can have dy du and then you also have du dx, then you multiply both answers. Let's take a question like y equal 3x minus 1 exponent 4. So if we have to solve this question using the chain rule, we say let's u equal 3x minus 1. Then you find du dx, meaning that you differentiate u with respect to x, and that's going to give 3. But then don't forget, you already said that u should be equal to 3x minus 1. So it means that you can rewrite this equation this way. Then you now find dy du. And dy du gives 4u cubed. Then what you now do, let me write here, is dy dx is equal to dy du by du dx. Now we know dy du from here, that is 4u cubed. So 4u cubed multiplying du dx is 3. So we are going to have 12u cubed. But then don't forget that we initially said u should be equal to 3x minus 1, and it was in that the question was given. So you just represent u again. So u is 3x minus 1 exponent 3. That's how we solve questions using the chain rule. Another way, let's take another question before we look at the other way. So if we take another question, that is y equal x cubed plus 2x exponent 5. So over here, we say let u equal x cubed plus 2x, and then we find the u dx. That's going to give 3x squared plus 2. But then don't forget, we already said that u is equal to 3x cubed plus 2x, meaning that we can rewrite this equation this way. Then we find the y du. So the y du is going to give 5u exponent 4. And then we can continue from here. Dy dx will give dy du, which we already know to be 3x squared plus 2 times du dx. That's 5u exponent 4. But then don't forget that, let's rewrite it here. Don't forget that we already said u is x cubed plus 2x, so we just fix it there. So we are going to have 3x squared plus 2 multiplying 5. U is x cubed plus 2x. Then there's an exponent of 4. So the final answer for dy dx is going to be 3x squared plus 2, and then x cubed plus 2x exponent 4. That will be the final answer for dy dx. Now there's an easier way we could have even solved this without necessarily going through the whole chain rule process. So in the case of this first question, from y equal 3x minus 1 all exponents 4, to find dy dx over here, what you do is that you multiply the exponents by, you first write the exponent and then you differentiate what is inside the bracket. So differential of 3x minus 1 gives 3. And then you rewrite the given function and then reduce the exponents by 1. So we are going to get 4 times 3, that is 12 times 3x minus 1 exponent 3, which is the same answer we got over here. And then for the other question, that is from y equal x cubed plus 2x exponent 5, dy dx, we follow the same routine. So you write the exponents first, you differentiate what is inside the brackets. That'll give 3x squared plus 2. And then you rewrite the given function and then reduce the exponent by 1. So this 5 minus 1 gives 4. So dy dx will be 5 times 3x squared plus 2 times x cubed plus 2x all exponent 4, which is exactly what we had here.